Hello everyone, thank you for watching our videos. In this channel, we'll show you how we live our simple life here in Parkland County, Alberta. For this specific episode, we'll show you ice fishing and all the adventures we have during winter.
Your dad is out here
Stay
and he's
tuned
doing the best of
and
the
enjoy the
best.
show.
Yes. You and I know he won't settle for less. Got no moment to rest with the weight on his chest.
We are traveling few hours north of Edmonton for a less popular lake. This is going to be our first time in these parts, so we try to prepare everything. We got our gear loaded up for possible ice camping and few days worth of rations. It has been consistently below minus 20 degrees for the past few weeks, and the ice is above 2 feet thick, making it completely safe for a full-size truck to drive on. Ngayon naghahanap kami ng pagkakampingan. Ano ba unahin? Bababa natin? O, agad?
Oh.
Alright guys, we're just gonna drill a couple of holes to see where we at in terms of depth, and then if we're aiming for a drop where it's a little shallower and it gets deeper right away, and then after that we're gonna set up camp here. After checking the depth, we're on a sudden drop of 15 to 30 feet of water, which makes it perfect for us, so we started setting up camp. Now that we have our tent set up, it's time to set up the cooking station because we're really hungry. Alright, given that we're only spending 2 days here and 1 night, we try to pack as light as we can. We try to fish as much, so in order for us to eliminate prepping and all those parts of cooking that are unnecessary here. We're not gonna spend 48 hours without rice, so cooked rice, vacuum sealed, so that we just dunk it on hot water, ready to go. I had a little bit of seaweed there for flavor, some bread flour and yeast, so we just add water, we set it aside in room temp or even warmer, make some nice flatbread for tomorrow. We got some honey and butter, we got boiled potatoes. What we got to do is just sear it and then consider it done. Oh, I added also olive oil here, just so that you don't have to like oil your pan or whatnot. Quick one will be sinigang. Like, we just heat it up as it is. Like, see this small pot here, we just dunk the whole bag, wait for a few minutes, and then yeah, we got sinigang. And then we got some chopped veggies to pair with our main dish, which is 8-ounce steaks. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steaks in between me and JT. We got some steak, potatoes, and some veggies. Nice.
Malaki?
Parang pike. Luluto na sana ako eh. Pike na.
Yeah, boy.
Right in there. So we caught our first pike. We don't really keep that, it's too small, and we still have a whole day. So that interrupted me with my cooking for a little bit, but we're back at it now. Just warm, so we're still trying to wait for it to get hot. I know it's sunny right now, but don't get fooled. It's still minus 30 out. And one thing about ice fishing is you have to really wear a proper eye gear. It gets super bright. They call it snow blindness. There we go. You hear that nice sizzle. And as soon as that cooks, we just push it aside to a colder section of the skillet. I had to move inside because it's not cooking well outside. It's too cold that the skillet is not heating up properly. Is you hungry? Yep.
Kain na! Bago fishing!
Solid yeah. Alright guys, I think JT hooked one. Bam! Holy!
You have your tape measure?
Yeah. Holy!
Pakita mo muna.
Sir! Yung paano mo nasabi na walleye siya? Di ba sabi mo kanina parang walleye ah? Nakita mo na ba?
Hindi, yung laban niya, pababa. Like, di ba whitefish, sometimes paakyat eh.
Oo, akit
Siya,
agad.
Gusto lang niya bumulusok pababa, bulik sa baba.
Ah, bumaba.
Yeah.
Pag-hook mo, hindi mo pa siya naiangat.
Hindi, pagkaset ko, talagang bumababa.
Oh,
Tas
shit.
Baba.
Tapos malakas.
Hindi naman gaano. Kaya akala ko nawawala siya kasi magkakaslack and then go down again siya. Tapos,
Okay. Yes, sir. Now that is a pike. Now that is a pike. Post one up.
holy fuck. Nakita ko pula shot, Brad. Bigla siyang bumaba. Tapos wala nang paakit-akit pa.
Malaki?
Oo,
Malaki yung pula?
Oo, patam. Ba't pababa siya? Wala nang ano, hindi ko na nga inakit eh.
Tulak mo yan. Guys, sun is about to go down. We've been catching walleyes all day. We just haven't recorded because our phone died. It's too cold out here. Oh man, that was a good day. 6 p.m. I'm about to cook dinner. Just gonna do some more fishing. Fish are still active. They're still everywhere in this lake. How we doing?
Naka-yelo lang.
Sipain ko.
Yo!
Nice.
Bukas ka na.
Dito sa kabila. Swabe bro. Kuha na lang niyo.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's 10 p.m. Might as well make some snacks. So I packed up this flour and yeast combination. Just gonna add a little bit of water to it. Shake it up a little bit. And then we make bread. It's gonna be nice with hot coffee on a cold night like this. You guys know where I've seen this. You already know. I don't need to tell you. Let's go.
Monster. Holy shit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's go. Well, this is all.
Every time I try to cook, there's always an interruption.
What time is it?
It's about 10,
Yeah.
about 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
I don't mind that interruption at all. I wish this dough is a little more doughy and a little less sticky, but it didn't really set right because of the temperature. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be a lot better, but tonight it will do just fine. I'm mixing. Oh, putang ina mo. Pasigat ka kasi boy. Butter and honey. Just mixing it up. It's really slow movements though. It's not much going on. Snow is slowed down a little bit outside. Starting to get a little clearer. No more fog. A little less scary. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is really good. Real fresh. Good morning, everyone. It's day 2. We survived the night. All in all, it was a pretty cozy night. Thanks to this diesel heater right here. It lasts us the whole night. Keeps the air flowing. There's lots of wind last night though, and a bit of snow drift, as you can see. Those are fresh. Yeah, woke up early morning. As soon as the sunrise, fish are active right away. Getting bites after bites. JD's out here right now fishing, while I'm out here consolidating, making everything tidy, putting back in the truck, and while cooking breakfast. Also, while fishing still. Here's our breakfast, guys. Pretty simple. Morning, bro. Well, that was a fun trip. If you guys like those videos, please like and subscribe so I can convince my wife that I can make a living off this.
Maybe not.
You said maybe not?
Your dad is out here and he's doing the best of the best. Yes. You and I know he won't settle for less. Got no moment to rest with the weight on his chest. Building the pressure on every breath. Searching for progress on every step. But the glory to God I don't gotta impress. And we stay blessed. I wrote you this letter cause maybe one day my time will come and I'm slipping away. Catch us in time as memory fades. My mind erased the dates and names. While I'm here I'll make sure one thing. Your dad is there on every frame. This life won't trade for anything on God.
The ordinary, I want you to lay me down till we're dead and buried on the edge of a night, staying drunk on your vibe. The angels up in the clouds, so jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me